Hello everyone, I am Varun, FATP participant at RVM Finishing School of Finance. Today I am here to present a company profiler on international business machines. So today we are going to discuss company overview, trading profile, vision and mission, history and timeline, top management, products and services, competitors, awards and achievements, and finally we are going to discuss about revenue breakdown on international business machines. Company overview. IBM, founded in 1911, had played a significant role in development of computing and IT infrastructure. IBM systems support modern society. It helps make business faster, productive, and secure. IBM just don't work; they do more than work. It creates as a technologists, developers, and engineers. They bring technology and services at one platform. It works with its partners and its competitors to make world work better. If someone is searching for a ways to make world work better through technology, software, infrastructure, then IBM wants to work with them. Trading profile of International Business Machine. International Business Machine trading symbol is IBM. As International Business Machine is US based company, reporting currency is USD. It is listed in New York Stock Exchange. Sector is technology services, industry is information technology services. ISIN number stands for International Securities Identification Number. It is unique alphanumeric number given to the company. The current market price of International Business Machine is $187.64 as of 16 February 2024. Vision and mission of International Business Machine. Vision. IBM took decisive steps to build a stronger IBM, executing against a sound strategy with speed, focus, and consistency. Mission. In 2021, IBM featured its tradition of leadership in sustainability, announcing a goal of net zero greenhouse gas emission by 2030. To achieve this mission, more than 3,000 scientists are in the process of research and development. History and timeline of International Business Machine. In 1928, IBM punch cards became the industry standard for next 50 years, holding nearly all of the world's information, enabling large-scale projects like US Census. In 1952, IBM introduced world to the digital storage via magnetic tape data, making a transition from punched card calculators to electronic computers. In 1956, for the first time, IBM demonstrated artificial intelligence to the world. In 1969, in an epic feat of engineering, IBM builds the computers and software for the Apollo mission. In 1997, IBM Deep Blue supercomputers defeats the best chess player in the world, thinking computer take a giant leap forward toward the kind of artificial intelligence that we use and know today. In 2021, with 50 million transistors on fingernail size chip, the most dense to data, this innovation holds the potential of greener data centers and safer autonomous vehicles. Now let's take a look at top management of International Business Machine. Mr. Arvind Krishna is the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of International Business Machine. Arvind Krishna, as a business leader and a technologist, he has led the building and expansion of new markets for IBM in artificial intelligence, cloud, quantum computing, and blockchain. Mr. James J. is responsible for leading IBM's world financial operations as CFO. He oversees accounting and controllership, financial planning and analysis, tax, internal audit, investor relations, corporate strategy, corporate development, and treasury. He also oversees the IBM financing business. Mr. Gary, Vice Chairman. As the American business leader, investor, and the former director of US National Economic Council, he is internationally recognized expert on the financial markets, global economy, and economic policy and US politics. Products and services of international business machine. IBM Consulting. IBM Consulting is a driving force behind clients' business, offer business consulting with expert advice and bring together different perspectives and experience and essential artificial intelligence and hybrid cloud technology to meet clients' business goals. IBM Software, IBM Cloud Parks. Hybrid cloud software offerings are uniquely designed to help clients modernize, predict, automate, and secure their businesses by unlocking intelligence of artificial intelligence and eligibility of hybrid cloud. Red Hat Hybrid Cloud Platform. Digital transformation objectives are as unique as business. That's why IBM combines innovation of global community of open source developers with unmatched expertise in industry models, cloud, and artificial intelligence to overcome complex challenges faster and realize better outcomes for the business. IBM Infrastructure. IBM Infra delivers storage services and mainframe systems that build hybrid cloud foundations. IBM ecosystem brings together world's leading platform and infrastructure partners who add critical value to the solution. Now let's take a look on key competitors of international business machine. As IBM have vast range of products and services, IBM have numbers of competitors. They are as follows: Accenture, Oracle, Cisco, Informatica, Cognizant, and Microsoft. These are some key competitors of international business machine. Revenue breakdown of international business machines. So 41% of the revenue come from software businesses, 32% of the revenue come from consultancy businesses, and 25% of the revenue come from infrastructure business. Rest 2% of the revenue comes from financing business and other businesses of international business machine. Revenue breakdown by geography. More than 51% of the revenue comes from America. More than 30% of the revenue comes from Middle East, Europe, and African nations, and more than 10% of the revenue comes from Asia Pacific nations. In the financial year 2020, the revenue of the international business machine was $55,179 million, which rose to $60,530 million in 2022. Gross profit of IBM. In 2020, the gross profit of IBM was $30,865 million which rose to $32,688 million in 2022. The net profit of IBM in 2020 was $5,590 million which declined to $1,639 million. Despite of increase in revenue and gross profit, we can see the sharp decline in net profit. This is because of the acquisition done by International Business Machine. In single month of Jan 2022, the IBM has acquired 8 companies and they have paid from the net profit. This means that they have not took any type of loan to acquire the companies. So we can see the sharp decline in net profit. Awards and achievements of IBM. IBM got Global Award for Sustainability in 2023, Platinum Green Lease Award in 2023, and Seal Business Sustainability Award in 2022.